Wake up to a brighter morning with the Wake Up Light Alarm Clock, transforming your daily rise into a serene, natural experience. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 Wake Up Light Alarm Clocks available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Wake Up Light Alarm Clocks. The 5th product on this list is the Winshine Sunrise Stimulation Alarm Clock. The Sunrise Simulation Alarm Clock is ideal for those desiring a gentler start to their day. Its gradual shift from a soft, warm white light to a fully illuminated room mimics a natural sunrise, fostering a rejuvenating wake-up experience. This is particularly beneficial for heavy sleepers, as it includes a convenient snooze mode and an assortment of nature sounds for a smoother morning transition. Functioning as more than just an alarm, this bedside lamp serves as a multifaceted nightstand accessory. The energy-efficient LED bulb provides a stable, non-flickering light, ensuring a comfortable environment while offering significant energy savings. Designed with safety in mind, its construction uses toy-grade ABS plus PP plastic, rendering it a safe addition to children's bedrooms. The lamp offers easy customization, allowing the user to alternate between warm white and ambient RGB lighting. It provides various brightness levels and color options to suit different moods and settings. This lamp is not only useful during morning routines, but also adapts effortlessly to other activities, such as late-night childcare, intimate dinners, or relaxing evenings. Gift this versatile, charming bedside lamp to yourself or a loved one for an enjoyable and personalized lighting experience. Its pros are: it has a gradual light transition mimicking a natural sunrise, aiding in a gentle wake-up experience. It is intelligently designed snooze feature, offers a stress-free wake-up routine for heavy sleepers, and it has customizable lighting options for warm white and ambient RGB lights suitable for various scenarios. However, some users may find the touch panel overly sensitive, leading to accidental activations. The Winshine Sunrise Simulation Alarm Clock is perfect for anyone seeking a soothing wake-up experience and versatile bedside lighting. Up next in 4th place is the Dekala Arkenstone. Embarking on each day with a gentle and customizable wake-up experience becomes a reality with this multifaceted sleep solution, which merges a sunrise alarm's soft illumination with the tranquil ambience of a light and sound simulator. It boasts 18 dynamic lighting effects and a spectrum of 16 million colors, transforming mornings into a personalized journey. The integrated sleep aid, featuring a white noise sound machine with 16 calming nature sounds, establishes a peaceful bedtime atmosphere, aiding relaxation and enhancing sleep quality. Designed with family needs in mind, this intelligent alarm clock offers soothing night lights and a practical time-to-rise setting for children. The dual alarm and snooze functions cater to various schedules, effectively preventing oversleeping. The convenience of voice control allows for seamless adjustments, making it ideal for maintaining tranquility, especially around a sleeping baby. In addition to its visual appeal and functionality, the product's design, conceptualized by an expert opticist, provides therapeutic benefits of light therapy. Waking up to its light therapy lamp can positively influence circadian rhythms, boosting energy and productivity throughout the day. For those seeking a comprehensive and intelligent sleep and wake solution, this alarm clock stands out as an exceptional choice. Its pros are: it combines a sunrise alarm, ambient light, and sound simulation for a comprehensive sleep and wake experience. It has 18 dynamic lighting effects and 16 million colors, so users can personalize their waking experience. And it is ideal for children thanks to its soft night lights and a time-to-rise setting, ensuring a comfortable environment for bedtime and waking up. However, its combination of lighting and sound features could lead to higher power consumption compared to basic alarm clocks. The Dekala Arkenstone is a great option for those seeking a holistic sleep solution, combining the gentle wake-up of a sunrise alarm, customizable ambient lighting, and soothing sounds. Still haven't found a wake-up light alarm clock that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300. Imagine waking up refreshed, greeted by a sunrise right in your bedroom. The Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300, crafted in Cambridge, England, is revolutionizing morning routines with its natural serene wake-up method. This innovative wake-up light technology, developed by industry pioneers, transforms the way we experience sleep and mornings. It offers customizable sunrise and sunset simulations, complete with a choice of 15 soothing sounds or FM radio, crafting a wake-up experience tailored to your preferences. This personalization fosters a positive mood and boosts energy levels. The Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300 stands out with its dedication to promoting good sleep hygiene. It features LEDs that emit reduced blue light, helping initiate sleep more comfortably. The auto-dimming display enhances the bedroom environment, supporting a healthy screen-free evening routine. With its sleek design comprising a smooth plastic globe for uniform light distribution and a stylish gray speaker cloth, this clock adds an element of elegance to any bedroom decor. For those in pursuit of a comprehensive sleep solution that goes beyond the jarring buzz of traditional alarms, the Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300 is the perfect choice. It allows you to gracefully transition from night to day, nurturing a balanced sync with your body's natural circadian rhythm. Its pros are: it provides a natural and gentle wake-up with a simulated sunrise, promoting a better mood and increased energy. It has customizable features that users can personalize their wake-up and sleep routines with adjustable sunrise-sunset durations, a choice of 15 sleep-wake sounds, and an FM radio option. And it has LEDs with reduced blue light content that contribute to creating an environment conducive to easy sleep initiation, enhancing overall sleep hygiene. However, it lacks a built-in battery backup, so it may need resetting in case of power outages. The Lumie Bodyclock Shine 300 is an ideal choice for individuals seeking a natural and gentle wake-up experience, offering customizable features like adjustable sunrise duration, various wake sounds, and an FM radio option. The second product on this list is the Philips SmartSleep. Waking up has never been more attuned to your body's natural rhythm, thanks to the Philips SmartSleep connected sleep and wake-up light. This innovative device redefines your morning and evening routines with its personalized sunrise and sunset simulations, offering a gentle transition into and out of sleep. It extends beyond the capabilities of a standard alarm clock, featuring a midnight light, an FM radio, a convenient phone charging dock, and the advanced Ambient Track sensor for ambient environmental tracking. The integration with the Sleep Mapper app enhances its functionality, providing detailed sleep analytics and compatibility with Apple and Google Health platforms. Enhance your bedtime experience with the Relax Breathe light-guided breathing and dusk simulation designed to promote a peaceful night's sleep. Philips' expertise in clinical sleep and respironics healthcare underpins this device, delivering a synergistic blend of light and sound that has been clinically shown to facilitate easier waking for 92% of the users. Prioritizing your comfort, this wake-up light features an auto-dimming display, a luminous snooze button, and a robust power wake alarm. It's not just an alarm clock, but a holistic sleep solution scientifically crafted to boost your mood and energy levels by harmonizing with your natural circadian rhythms. Its pros are: it has app-enabled customization of sunset and sunrise, promoting a naturalistic and energizing start to your day. It has additional features like midnight light, FM radio, phone charging dock, alarm power backup, and more, enhancing the versatility of this device. And it is proven to improve mood and energy levels, and the sunrise simulation provides a gentler waking experience compared to traditional alarm clocks. However, it relies on the app for customization and control, which may pose challenges if there are connectivity issues or if users prefer a simpler, non-tech dependent alarm clock. The Philips SmartSleep is perfect for tech-savvy individuals seeking a personalized and natural wake-up experience, improved sleep hygiene, and enhanced mood and energy levels through advanced features like customizable sunrise simulation and integrated sleep tracking. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top wake-up light alarm clock is the Hatch Restore 2. Revolutionizing self-care, the Hatch Restore 2 sunrise alarm clock transforms sleep into a rejuvenating journey. Immerse yourself into the calming embrace of nature-inspired sounds, such as white, pink, and brown noise masterfully designed to mask background noise for a deep, peaceful slumber. This innovative bedside companion redefines your sleep cycle with a gentle touch. Its sunrise alarm syncs with your circadian rhythm, offering a gentle awakening, a refreshing alternative to jarring alarms. The clock's adjustable brightness fosters a tranquil bedroom atmosphere. A mere tap unveils the time, avoiding any disruptive bright lights. Elegantly crafted in 3 soothing colors, the Hatch Restore 2 is the epitome of convenience with its intuitive phone-free operation. A single button press sets your nightly routine into motion or silences the morning alarm, a blessing for those drowsy mornings. Its companion app, compatible with iOS and Android, offers a plethora of customization options, elevating its status as a versatile sleep aid. To further enrich your experience, the Restore 2 not only includes a variety of nature sounds and white noise, but also invites you to delve into the Hatch Plus membership for a more expansive selection. Redefining your nightly ritual, this clock harmoniously blends simplicity, personalization, and serenity, paving the way for nights of profound rest and rejuvenation. Its pros are: it offers a comprehensive sleep solution with nature-inspired sounds, a sunrise alarm, and a dimmable clock to enhance your sleep quality. It features simple phone-free controls, making it easy to start your nightly routine or silence alarms with just a button press, ideal for sleepy moments. It is a dimmable clock that provides darkness on demand, allowing you to keep your room dark for better sleep quality while providing the convenience of checking the time with a simple tap. And it comes with a variety of nature sounds and white noise, and users can further expand their library with the Hatch Plus membership, offering meditations, sleep stories, and more. However, it requires Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for full functionality, which may be a limitation for some users. The Hatch Restore 2 is a must-have for those seeking simplified yet effective sleep solutions, combining nature-inspired sounds, a sunrise alarm, and a dimmable clock to create a personalized and tranquil bedtime routine, promoting restful sleep and stress-free wake-ups. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.